Maintaining your motorcycle chain is one of the easiest things you can do as a motorcyclist. And it's not complicated. I've seen a lot of gimmicks, a lot of guards, a lot of things that you can use to kind of, I don't know, protect your wheel or protect your tires from overspray. And honestly, it's not that difficult. All you need is your chain cleaner. You need your chain lube. You need a brush. And just a roll of shop towels. It's not a complicated process. I would also say that one of the best and easiest things that I think every motorcyclist should have, if you have a sport bike, a naked bike, an adventure motorcycle, and some cruisers may have it, but a place to be able to use or use a rear stand. If your adventure bike doesn't come with a center stand, almost all adventure bikes do have little spool threads, so you can actually use paddock stands. Get yourself a rear stand. Gets the bike up off the ground, the rear wheel at least. Put it in neutral, and that way you're able to spin the wheel freely. Never, ever do this with the engine running or with the chain under load. That's a safety thing. It's really easy just to move a tire. It also gives you the opportunity to check or listen for any clicking, if there's anything wrong with your wheel bearings, and overall just smoothness with the engine off. So, quick steps to cleaning and lubing your chain. Go on a quick 5-minute ride, get everything nice and warmed up, get that chain moving around a little bit, and then once you get back, prop it up on the stand and get your materials together. Super easy. The first bit is using your chain cleaner, and I like to just easily spray kind of between the wheel and the engine on the inside of the rollers. All of the spray that you do should be done on the inside of the chain. That way that as you spin the tire, centrifugal force pulls that cleaner outward and through the chain. The same concept will be applied when you actually put your lube on as well. Using a brush, you're just gonna spray, a little bit of spray. Not a ton. Then you can get on the sides if you like. And the entire time I'm just super close to the chain. I'm not having to do a ton. There's no overspray because it's all hitting the chain. It's super easy. You grab your brush. You're just going to give it a good little scrubby as you rotate the tire. All the liquids should probably flow down onto the shop towels that you have below the chain. And give it a nice little scrub. Then with, a rag, just gonna scrub down that chain. You also have the opportunity, you want to clean off your sprocket as well. Simple little process. As you start to get it dry, once it dries up, you're gonna kind of leave it for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. Let it all kind of dry up, and then that's when you're gonna apply your chain lube. Now that you're back and you're ready to put your chain lube on, it's going to be this easy process of just rotating and spinning the wheel and giving a nice spray on the inside of those links away from your tire. Give it a little test and just kind of, the key here is you don't need to overdo it. So one good big spin spray, and that is it. You're going to let that tack up for a little bit. I like to just kind of get it rotated, spinning, so I can get it through the entire assembly. And just like that, you've oiled and lubed and cleaned your chain.